birthday!
Come on in. When's up in our room?
Happy birthday! I brought you a present. I just open it. The Thesaurus, 3rd edition. Thank you. You're welcome. Me and Dolores put our money together to buy it for you.
We've been saving for months.
Yeah. Sweet.
I'm so excited about this sleepover.
Yeah, it's my first sleepover ever.
Yeah, me too.
Mom said I could have it when I was 5 years old. Oh, today is finally here. What should we do first?
Off to the races, I'm going places. Might be a long shot, not gonna waste it. This is the big break, and it's calling my name. Yeah. So far, so great, can't win it. At least that's how I see it. Having a dream's just the beginning. So far, so great, believe it. Can't take away this feeling. Taking a ride, chance on my side. Yeah, I can't wait. So far, so great. Might need to wing it, still gonna bring it. Not gonna sink, no, I'm going swimming. Swing for the fences, sky's not the limit today. Yeah. So far, so great, can't win it. At least that's how I see it. Having a dream is just the beginning. So far, so great, believe it. Can't take
I think we should watch Winnie the Pooh.
No, I think we should watch Bambi.
But Agnes always cries when the mom dies.
What? I think we should watch VeggieTales.
But we've seen that one 23 times.
It's a classic.
It's old.
It's the best. I think there's only one way we can settle this.
You can take me down with just one single blow, but you don't know what you.
All right. You win. We can watch VeggieTales.
Yes.
It is your birthday after all.
But Winnie the Pooh, Piglet is so adorable.
Oh, lay off it, Doris. Guys!
What?
You know, maybe we should watch something scary. I know just the movie. I'll be right back. I'm so excited about the scary movie. My mom never lets me watch anything that's over G-rated.
My mom never lets me watch anything but Kippa.
Camera.
I know.
Guys! Guess what I have.
Curious George.
No, it's,
Caillou.
Snow White. Oh! Let me just put it in. You can...
We lost one. Oh, poor little thing.
Anita! Lanny! 15! We still
I know that's
15. 15 puppies. How marvelous, how marvelous, how perfect. Oh, the devil. White. Just wait and see. That's right, Corinna. They'll have no prize.
What is going on in here? What are you girls watching?
Poor Petite.
This is way too scary for you. What were you guys thinking? Oh, let's put in something a little calmer, like National Geographic. For all mankind, this is really good. Oh, Mom! Oh,
It's
time for bed. Well, girls, it's 6 o'clock.
way past our usual bedtime.
Much later than usual bedtime.
So you know what that means.
Ghost
Story
stories.
time.
Who would like to go first?
Oh, I'll tell.
Who's this one?
Yes, it's very good. Alright. This is called The Story of Becky and the Forgotten Math Test. One day, Becky was at school, and her teacher said, "Open your math books to page 265. And then, Becky fell asleep. When she woke up, the classroom was empty! And the math book had flipped open to page 257! She quickly turned the page to the right one. She realized she had not done her math test! Okay, your turn, Dolores. Or Agnes.
No, you go.
Pretty good, wasn't it?
What? Yes.
What is it?
It's just Agnes.
Oh great, I'm never gonna be able to get to sleep now.
We should go sleep on the roof.
Good morning, girls! Girls? Girls! Well, I'm never doing that again.
Same here.
If everybody had an ocean across the USA, then everybody'd be serving like California. You'd see them wearing their baggies, Warachi sandals too, a bushy blonde hairdo, serving USA.
What's going on? We got kind of scared in the middle of the night. Right, Dolores?
It's so true.
Oh, that cut.
Let's do this.